I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to disable FaceTime on your iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Step 2. Scroll down this menu and then tap Apps. Step 3. Scroll down and tap FaceTime. Step 4. Tap the toggle next to FaceTime in this list of options to turn it off. The switch will change from green to gray. FaceTime is now completely disabled on your device. You will no longer receive FaceTime audio or video calls, and other users will see that you are unavailable if they try to call you. If you want to take this a step further and completely restrict or hide the FaceTime app from your device, you can do so using Screen Time. To do this, open your Settings app and tap Screen Time. Next, select Content and Privacy Restrictions and enable this option if it isn't enabled already. Tap Allowed Apps and Features. Look for FaceTime in the list and toggle the switch next to it to the off position. This will hide the FaceTime app icon entirely from your home screen and app library, making it impossible for anyone to turn FaceTime back on without entering your Screen Time passcode. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.